Utilization rate and calorific value of water-washed coal are higher than that of raw coal. Water-washed coal removes impurities and has lower transportation cost. The performance of water-washing ball pressing machine affects the stable operation of the ball pressing machine. So, how to detect the performance of water-washing ball pressing machine? From the actual situation of ball press maintenance. 1. The method of identifying the technical status of the water-washing coal ball pressing machine without checking the equipment according to the intuitive feeling of the inspectors. This method is simple. In the maintenance of the ball press, it is easy to distinguish most of the defects of the ball press. So, this approach is still useful, but this method cannot be used to check the high accuracy of the ball press. Inspectors should have rich experience. 2. A great deal of inspection work is carried out with instruments and tools. Due to the different working principles and types of instruments and tools can be divided into general measuring tools, special measuring tools, ball press instruments and optical instruments, electronic instruments, etc.